A murder is a murder.
Yeah.
Irrespective of who does it. Somebody loses their life. A case where a man has been harmed and it's been done by a woman. It's very highlighted.
We are forgetting the fact the person who is the primary accused and perhaps he's the one who committed the crime is the man.
Exactly. Welcome to another episode of Aao Behan Chugli Kare. I'm Nupur.
I'm Anushri, and this time we are going to talk about something that has been playing on our mind, on all our minds.
Yes.
Something that is very disturbing, what is happening, and the whole narrative about it. I think
Which is all over our
social
feeds,
media,
and also honestly on our minds,
yeah,
like you're saying, because it is something that has really shaken
yeah,
us, and I'm sure you guys also.
So Nupur, you're gonna tell about what we are talking about today.
This is the case of Ketan,
The
Sia,
Pune murder
and,
case, which has happened
yeah.
a few weeks ago. It is still unraveling every day. It is, of course, things are happening as we speak. The day that we are shooting this episode, what we know of and what we are getting these shocking details every day about is what we are going to discuss. Obviously, there are going to be, some discussions, some opinions, some, very disturbing things that we are going through. But please take it at its face value.
Yes.
And that is what is important. Yes, having said that, when you first read this thing or heard this thing that something like this has happened, Nupur, tell me, what did you think? And especially because you and I talk about women's rights, we believe in them, we believe in, and then something like this happens, and the whole narrative kind of, I'm not talking about the narrative shift, but I'm talking about that we ourselves are shaken, that who are we fighting for, then there are these, cases that come up and everything takes a couple of steps back. What did you think?
I mean, see, we are feminists. We do advocate women's rights, which of course we have to.
Yes.
We should. But at the same time, murder is murder. A wrong deed is a wrong deed. We are not going to sit here and say that, just because this person who has committed a crime like this is a woman does not make it any less of a crime. That's a fact. That's definitely a fact. In fact, the first time that I saw this news, ये तब था जब I was looking at the stories of my friends. I was scrolling Instagram, and one of my guy friends had posted about it. And how a woman has done this to a man, and he had written down, "Okay, guys, don't get married. It's of no use. Just earn for yourself, stay with your family, and just live your life." And I was like, honestly, the case itself is very horrific. मुझे बहुत genuinely बहुत disturbing लगा. I was really sad also because somebody lost a life and their family. I kept thinking about that and how it's really wrong, even if it's a woman who did that. But then at the same time, the first thought that came to my mind was, I see news of women, going through this every single day, multiple times, multiple cases. And and how it takes just a handful of cases like this to scare the shit out of an entire gender. And how when we look at cases that are from the other lens, जहाँ पर women के साथ हुआ है, we are always genuinely told, even when your parents are asking you to get married, कि बेटा ऐसा सबके साथ थोड़ी होता है, कोई बात नहीं, सबके साथ. It's another way of saying not all men. So the first thought that came to my mind was that. But then मैंने उसके बारे में पढ़ना start किया, more posts start coming, then I googled a little more about it, I tried to read about it, and then the more I read, the more I realized that this is not just a stupid or an evil person doing it just for the sake of doing it. This is so layered. there's layer after layer, जैसा आप बोल रहे हो ना कि one after another more revelations are coming
Yeah,
forward.
yeah.
Honestly, this was my first
Yeah,
impression of
yeah.
it. What about you? आपको क्या लगा था जब आपने पहली बार इसको पढ़ा?
What I first thought, and I think that changes once you're a parent. The first thing that comes to your mind is a family lost their son
Yes,
or a child.
of course.
The first thing that, you know, this family was going to be celebrating their son's
Wedding.
marriage, and, you know, and this guy, obviously it's a business family. He's taken over his father's empire and everything. It's a real estate business that they are into primarily. The first thing it comes to mind that all that, and it has nothing to do with whether it's a boy or a girl. You put in so much hard work into bringing up a child. जैसी भी परवरिश आप देते हो. And then this happens. Some stupid jerk of a person comes in and unalives your child. Your child. There's nothing more heartbreaking than that. And I cannot just put in that badge that, oh, this was a man. And, you know, so first thought is always that. And I think a lot of people, this shift happens once you're a parent. The second thing that I was thinking was what kind of apathy is everywhere, that someone gets killed unalived like this, and we are again fighting about which gender is worse. It's not about that.
Yes.
It's about what kind of people you are getting influenced by. And आज की डेट में पता है नुपुर, आई थिंक वो जो 4-5 लोग आपके बच्चे के अराउंड होते थे, जैसे जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे, हमारे अराउंड जो लोग होते थे वो होते थे मम्मी पापा, मे बी ग्रैंड पेरेंट, 1 ग्रैंड पेरेंट और 2 और बोथ साइड्स, और मे बी चाचा चाची. ये लोग आपकी कम्युनिटी होते थे जिनसे आप सीखते थे. और सोशल मीडिया क्योंकि नहीं होता था, सो योर थिंग्स वर काइंड ऑफ इन साइलोज. Now, because you have this whole barrage of information, you have, things like you watch all kinds of things on the internet. Children have access to that. We as human race are becoming desensitized towards violence.
That's true.
So murder, things like, escalating, thinking on those lines, probably as a human race, we have become a little, theek hai, maybe this is even an option.
Yeah.
So I'm not talking about a girl, a woman thinking on those lines, or being, whether or not, we don't know whether she was influenced, not I don't care. The fact is she thought on those lines, and she
did
went there,
something
and
like
she
that.
did that.
Yeah.
She
Yes.
went and actually did that.
Of course.
How desensitized you have to be able to think on those lines.
That makes sense. Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Honestly, yeah. Because see, as you know, we were talking about earlier, a murder is a murder.
Yeah.
Irrespective of who does it. Somebody loses their life, irrespective of who's doing that. That's a fact. That's 100% a fact. But yes, it is true that, it has become a gendered war.
Of course.
That, this
As
happened.
everything
but
becomes,
it becomes like that. Neither of the genders, are these days.
it's always us
especially-
versus them.
Yes, us versus
Whatever
them,
it
of
is.
course.
चाहे ये 2 लड़कियां हो, चाहे ये 2 लड़के हो, it becomes an us versus them kind of a narrative, which is not the core of the problem. Is the absolute dissolution and disillusioned generation which doesn't care about a human life. I don't know whether it is in this country. I don't have the numbers, but I think it has something to do with, and a lot to do with, the kind of social media exposure that we have, the kind of people we are exposed to, our children are exposed to. I would always, I'm constantly, there's a underlying anxiety about, I have told you, and I've discussed this. I'm a parent, and there's always that underlying anxiety about what kind of a world our children are growing up in.
Yeah.
Me, from the generation that I have seen, there's a deterioration in a lot of ways. There's, of course,
100%.
things are better. People probably have more spending power and all that. All those economics, yes. But as a society, whether we are able to keep our children safe or not? Absolutely not.
That's true. Honestly, जब मैं भी इस केस के बारे में पढ़ रही थी तो I started to think of it on because I have a brother and
Yes.
I have men in my life who I care about, and I started imagining that oh my God, this is, I mean, what if this had happened to us?
God
It would have been
Yeah.
heartbreaking,
Yeah.
and it's really genuinely sad, and there's no defending this.
Yes.
There's no defending this. It's a fact. It's definitely a fact. But जो हम बात कर रहे थे about how it's becoming a gendered war,
Yeah.
what I see is, personally, this is my personal opinion, that when a case is where a man has been harmed and it's been done by a woman, it's very highlighted. ठीक है? Irrespective of the fact that
Yeah.
a man is being harmed,
Yeah.
in cases where a man is being harmed
Yeah.
and the perpetrator is another man, it's not highlighted.
Yeah.
There are children, young boys who are being harmed by men.
Yeah.
Cases are not highlighted.
Yeah. Because
it has become a gendered war. You know what I mean?
Because again, and the same, by the way, is okay. I'll give you an example. The same day when this news was unraveling that this murder happened, the same day we learnt about the Gurgaon case.
Yes.
The cab driver who picked up an 11-year-old or a 10-year-old child, removed her from the footpath and took her away and did things and unalived her.
Yeah.
That news did not get that much traction.
It won't.
There are two reasons for it, because the person who is the victim is not from the demography that who is influential. That is one. Number two is that we have 60 to 70 rape cases coming in every day.
Yes.
Every day.
There are 1,200
and these are
cases
reported.
against women.
And these are reported.
Yes, every day.
We don't know how many are there.
Exactly.
Right? So we have become desensitized to women's violence.
Yes.
And the news that is about the men's violence is getting more traction because probably they are getting reported more, yes, but they get more traction to
It's sensational.
cull the voice of the other.
It's sensational.
It's sensational.
When a woman is doing something like this, because a woman doing it is unimaginable, unthinkable. But a man doing it is just another day.
It's not about one life. It should not be, right?
Never.
Ideally,
never.
It is not. It should not be that 11-year-old kid deserved this.
No, nobody deserved
right?
it.
So it is absolutely not about one life versus the other. But again, that is the problem when you have op-eds, big editorials by big journalists being written about these things just because the person who got murdered or the case is high profile. I hate this word. What does that mean? High profile, because they come from a family with high net worth. So their life's worth is more.
They get more traction. They get more TRP. They get more attention.
Absolutely.
And you see how social media also in itself, it's all business. These news, all of this gendered war, all of this is being put out there because it brings more audience. It brings more people to engage, which is exactly what you were saying. Where is the empathy? Everything is about numbers and the game. It's all a game right now. मुझे genuinely बहुत दुख feel होता है when a man tells a story where he was also assaulted or something really bad happened to him, and people actually show no sympathy. Also,
in fact, he's shamed into it.
Yes,
he's shamed
exactly.
into it.
Do you remember there's a case जहाँ पर it was a guy, a 26-year-old man, I think, and he was a cancer patient, and he came forward and he shared how 4 policemen him. And every post where this was posted on social media or anywhere, the comments, if you read it, and I read it myself, there were men saying, "Arey, मीठा हो गया तू तो, अरे इतने में ही डर गया, अरे ये हो गया." Men creating jokes out of it. Imagine, where is the empathy there?
There is no
because
empathy.
the perpetrator is another man. It's another all other same gendered people, and it's not okay. You are
Also,
not supporting the victim.
also, in case of this Pune murder case, we are forgetting the fact that the person, who is the primary accused, and perhaps he's the one who committed the crime, is the man.
Exactly.
Is the man
Yes.
who perhaps, again, this is sub judice, it's all, conjecture and our analysis, but there is a high possibility. It is, of course, he's an accomplice and he's a primary accused.
Of course.
But there is a manipulation angle involved.
100%.
So why are we not saying that?
Because
there is a
it
man
will
involved
not,
here.
it
It's
will not bring traction, na?
Yeah.
It's not sensational.
Yeah.
It's not sensational. Then it becomes just a crime.
Yeah.
But if it's a
Correct.
woman doing it, it
Correct.
becomes a news story. It becomes a piece.
Yeah.
It becomes something that grabs people's attention.
Yeah.
And that's so sad. The other day only, मेरे पापा बोल रहे थे, in fact. He was joking about it, but he was saying this thing कि अरे आज के टाइम में तो बहुत खराब हो गया है और कभी नीला ड्रम हो रहा है, कभी हरा ड्रम हो रहा है. अभी देखो ये इतना बताओ बच्चा इतना अच्छा सुंदर इतना अच्छा कमाने वाला बच्चा और देखो उसके साथ क्या हो गया. And I was like, I agree. बहुत गलत है, सारी चीजें बहुत गलत है. Murder is really wrong. This should not have happened. लेकिन you pick up every case और आप उसको, if you take it apart, you will see every time there's a woman who's the perpetrator, there's a man standing right behind her.
Yeah.
And with her.
Yeah.
And you don't know how much of an accomplice
And
that person
a lot
is.
of times it's actually also this, in terms of domestic violence, in terms of dowry deaths, there's always another behind and by the side of this man who's committing the crime, there's also a woman.
Yes.
So it is really not a man versus woman
Not at all.
kind of a gendered thing.
Not at all.
It definitely has to be something about dysfunctional families.
Yes. That is so, oh my God, that's the root cause of all of this. हम यहाँ बैठ के discussion कर रहे हैं. There's a person who has lost their life.
Yeah.
There are people who lose their lives every single day. But why? What's the root of it? Where is this coming from? And I think we definitely need to discuss this.
Yeah.
Dysfunctional families. क्या हो रहा है?
Yeah.
लोग क्यों नहीं safe feel कर पा रहे हैं अपनी family में बोलने के लिए?
Correct.
I mean, imagine ये एक इंसान है जो अपनी family से बोलने में इतना डर रहा है कि I don't want to do this what you are asking me to do, that they do this instead.
But Nupur, इसमें एक modality जो जितना मैंने पढ़ा है ये भी है कि it's not like Sia we don't know the family, we don't know what is inside, but what we are getting to know is it's not like this family was this ultra conservative family.
True. Yeah, true.
It is apparently they are not. Having said that, it is weird that they would get their girl fixed or rather promised to someone at 19 years of age.
Yes.
एक तरफ you are liberal enough कि भैया अब तो सगाई हो गई है तो अब आप जाओ छुट्टियों पे जाओ एक साथ is what we are getting to know. We've seen, right? कि they are taking multiple holidays. So क्योंकि सगाई हो गई है तो they are liberal enough for letting their daughter do that. But at the same time, they are also conservative enough कि 19 साल की लड़की जिसका क्या ही दिमाग होगा, क्या ही दुनिया देखी होगी उसने, उसको they have promised as in whatever. Engagement उसकी हो गई, right?
मैं आपको honestly बताऊं, I have
तो
had friends like this.
Yeah,
see, them coming from a good economic background does not, and also the fact that they are seeing enjoying or partying or they allow their daughter to go out with this person that she's engaged to. That does not, it doesn't equivalent.
Mean,
it does not mean that family is a very understanding or open family where people can open up.
Yeah.
Because I've seen, even in my friend groups, I've seen, there are people, there are young girls who got married so early. They finished college and they just got married because their parents decided. And they were very good, very apparently open-minded people. That girl was going on trips, she was enjoying, she was partying, she was drinking, she was doing all of that. It was all fine. When it comes to marriage, because there's a very high societal standard to uphold, it was a non-negotiable. I'm pretty sure she was barely 20, 21, my friend, when she got married. And it was something that was not even discussed. It was known. So this feels very similar.
So now it comes to my mind that is it something that is now being made an example in the sense that shadi, you know, is a tricky business, arranged marriage is a tricky business, आजकल की लड़कियां भी ऐसी हैं, the whole thing about the whole 9 yards about alimony, about divorces, about लड़कियों को पढ़ाई लिखाई कराना, the whole narrative shifts. वो शिफ्ट तो होता ही है,
बिल्कुल होता है,
क्योंकि एक बात से दूसरी बात निकलती है, दूसरी बात से तीसरी बात निकलती है. द थिंग दैट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि सच वुमेन, बिकॉज सिया इज problematic.
yes,
If the more I'm reading about the mindset she has, it's not like, you know, she was in deeply love with जो हमारा फिल्मी प्यार होता है कि I'm torn between real love and this weight of family honor. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. There are Instagram posts. She was enjoying the wealth. She was going out to several trips with Ketan, and it's not like she was not enjoying that part of whatever life she was living with Ketan, but she had this thing about, you know, that I also don't want this, so she's torn between whatever shit she's going through.
I mean, honestly, reason चाहे कुछ भी हो,
Yeah,
reason चाहे कुछ
no,
भी
no,
हो,
that's
yeah,
that's what I'm
But-
saying. The problematic women are these
yes,
who
yes,
also the fact is तुम भाग सकती थी भाई.
हाँ,
अगर तुम्हें वाकई लग रहा था, वो भी तो नहीं करना था ना. तुम्हें पैसे भी चाहिए, तुम्हें ऐश भी करनी है, और तुम्हारा पीसाइज ब्रेन तुम्हें कह रहा है कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे एक काम करती हूँ, ये कर लेती हूँ, या एक
यहाँ तक कैसे दिमाग जा रहा है? हाउ डज दिस मेक सेंस कि मेरे अंदर हिम्मत नहीं है कि मैं अपनी फैमिली से या तो बोल पाऊं. समझती हूँ मैं कि बहुत कंजर्वेटिव फैमिली होगी इन दिस सेंस,
Yeah.
नहीं सुनेगी,
Yeah.
फोर्स करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, बहुत नाटक होगा. तो मैं एक काम करती हूँ, मैं ये कर देती हूँ. ये तो कोई, दिस डज नॉट कंपेयर. This does not compare in any
it's
sense.
so stupid that it feels that there is something absolutely wrong with her.
As a person, of course, the more we are getting to know about it, it's very apparent. Like I was also seeing this interview of Chetan Bhagat,
Yeah.
and he said that either she's really stupid or she's really evil, which makes
It has
sense.
to be. It has to be.
Parents को नहीं बोल पा रहे हो, पर ये कर देती हूँ. How are you getting to that point? लेकिन I think कि ये बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है, because this is the root of the entire thing that we are talking about. Families जहाँ लोग बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं, या families जहाँ लोगों को इतना pressured feel हो रहा है that things like these are coming out.
Yeah. Let's talk about arranged marriages. क्योंकि ये पूरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट जो था, किसी की शादी हो रही थी, और कल मुझे इतना बुरा लग रहा था उनकी एंगेजमेंट की वीडियो तुमने देखी होगी, वायरल हो रही थी, एंड Ketan is dancing and he's happy and he genuinely looks like he's very happy to get married. And so does this girl also, Sia. She also looks happy. So how do you put up a face like that if you're not happy? It is, first of all, in this context, it seems I really cannot make up my mind that you know, whether she was happy, whether she was not happy, whether she did it, whatever. I'm not going to say anything, because as things are unraveling, we can see that she is not right in her mind.
A very problematic person.
Right. But let's talk about arranged marriages, where we are sometimes not able to express, maybe in the core of the mind, that what we are thinking. As we had discussed, I think, between you and me, that it is rigged. The whole arranged marriage thing in Southeast Asia, agar pura dekhen, it is rigged. The matter of choice, who chooses your life partner, everything. And agar consent hota bhi hai, तो वो consent influenced होता है, conditioned होता है. It's a very gray area, right?
And it's a very uncomfortable space to be.
Yeah.
I mean, I have seen in my family also कि जैसे I had a cousin, and you know, they started looking for rishtas for her, and my cousin had a boyfriend actually, but because her father was somebody who she knew would not listen,
not agree,
and the mother also would not understand, and so she would go to see the rishtas because she knew that she can't say anything about it. एंड देन जब वहां पर रिश्ते के लिए जा रहे हैं, दे आर मीटिंग द गाइज, एंड ऑफ कोर्स लाइक 9 out of 10 times the guys are, I have been one or to those meetings with her, and
Yeah.
I could see that, no, what are you doing, what are you thinking?
Yeah.
And then after every meeting,
Yeah.
it was still a consensual thing ke tum batao beta. It was not like that. You are made to think that you have a choice, but then when you reach home they were like, अच्छा था, लड़का तो बढ़िया था, परिवार भी बढ़िया है और जमीन वमीन भी बढ़िया है, तो सही रहेगा और अच्छा रहेगा, ये
क्योंकि
रहेगा।
वही सी जो हम सोशल स्टडीज में पढ़ते हैं, जो जो हम व्हेन वी रीड अबाउट हाउ मैरिजेस डेवलप्ड, इट वाज अ सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट।
Yes, it was.
इट
And
वाज
an
अ सोशल
economic one
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट,
also.
इकोनॉमिक
Yeah,
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, राइट?
yeah.
कि अच्छा ये पार्टीज हैं और इनके दिस इज हाउ
These are their assets.
exactly. Now things have changed.
Yes.
Okay, there is that concept of nuclear family, there's individuality
बिल्कुल.
and everything in, so the whole thing doesn't quite fit arranged marriages and the society that we live in, modern society that we live in today. They don't quite match,
But
and
ये
that is
वही
where
ना,
the problem begins, I
ये
suppose.
आपका और मेरा
Yeah,
ओपिनियन है.
yeah.
Women who can
Yeah.
actually talk about it
Yeah.
and say things like
Yeah.
this. लेकिन in places, not just tier 2 or tier 3 cities, even in tier 1 cities
Yeah.
where circumstances are not as favorable as
Yeah.
we might
Yeah.
have gotten, it's still like that. People don't feel that it's not okay, it does not fit.
Absolutely.
It's an absolute fact in their head कि यही होता है, यही करना होता
करना
है.
है.
आप पढ़ाई करते हो और फिर आपके पेरेंट्स डिसाइड करते
There are
हैं कि वो
milestones,
किससे शादी
right?
आपकी
हाँ,
कराएंगे.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, वो माइलस्टोन है,
Yeah.
ये तो करना ही है. There's no other option.
छोटी सी बात है यार, ज्वेलरी खरीदने लाइक सबकी मम्मियां करती हैं कि ज्वेलरी खरीदती हैं मेरी बच्ची के लिए भी.
हाँ बिल्कुल. इनफैक्ट आई वाज टेलिंग यू ना कि मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद है, मैं तो काफी छोटी थी, आई थिंक मैं 12th 11th में होंगी, तो मम्मी गई हैं अपने लिए ज्वेलरी लेने गई हैं, एंड वहां से लेके आई हैं, और एक साथ में ना एक ऐसा सेट भी है. तो मम्मी कह रही है मेरी रिंग है ये, और फिर बोल रही है, कह रही है सेट ना. अब नाउ शी न्यू बिकॉज फ्रॉम अ वेरी यंग एज, आप इतने छोटे होते हो ना तब भी आपके आसपास सब लोग ये बात करते हैं, अरे ये तो जाएगी,
लड़कियों
ये
की
तो
तो
दूसरे घर
100%
जाएगी.
करते
हाँ,
हैं.
तो मुझे हमेशा से अवेयरनेस दिलाई गई थी कि ये तो दूसरे घर जाएगी, और ये तुझसे ब्याह कौन करेगा, थोड़ी पतली हो जा तभी ब्याह होगा, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो शी न्यू कि अगर वो शादी बोलेंगे तो मैं आई विल फ्लिप आउट एंड आई विल स्टार्ट येलिंग, ऐसे क्या बोल रहे हो क्या बोल रहे हो. देन शी वुड से कि ये मैं अपने लिए, ये तेरे लिए है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, ज्वेलरी, ये पैसा जरूरत पड़ेगी तो बेच डालूंगी, प्रॉपर्टी खरीद लूंगी, इन्वेस्टमेंट.
This is actually what we need to do.
है ना?
Your thinking I actually love, because
हाँ.
this is what we need to do. It is not about कि ये जो स्त्री धन जिसको कहते हैं, स्त्री धन इसीलिए कहते हैं कि वो उसका कुशन है लाइफ
Yes,
का.
वो स्त्री के लिए धन
धन
है,
है.
ताकि वो उसको हेल्प कर पाए, एनेबल कर पाए चीजें
कल
करने के
को
लिए.
if things go sideways, she can depend
हाँ.
on this.
Exactly.
That is what it is supposed to be. It has, so it can be by that argument for a single woman also,
Exactly.
right?
Your daughter turns
investments,
30, let's say,
absolutely.
and she wants to start a business, or she wants to buy her own house, and you
ये
want to
होना
actually
चाहिए.
enable her. Do it for her. Do it
But
for her
यहाँ पे
too.
जो लेयर ऑफ शादी होती है कि ये तुम्हें तभी
Exactly.
मिलेगा जब तुम शादी करो. इनफैक्ट तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगा, तुम्हारे
इन-लॉज को, तुम्हारे
इन-लॉज को, तुम्हारे
नए
पति
परिवार
को,
को मिलेगा.
नए परिवार को मिलेगा. दैट इज द थिंग. और होता क्या है, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस फ्रॉम माय एक्सपीरियंस, what I see everywhere around,
Yeah.
people think of the wedding because everything is performative, everything is for the optics and
flashy.
social media
Yeah.
and wedding business and everything. People think of the wedding more than they think of the marriage.
Exactly.
Marriage, so I think they start to realize, oh, I'm married.
Once they are married, हाँ,
Once they're
तब उनको
married, once
realization
the
होता है.
honeymoon phase is over, then when the reality hits, that's when they think, अच्छा शादी हो गई है क्या? उससे पहले तो कौन सा लहंगा, क्या ज्वेलरी, क्या मेकअप, यही चल रहा होता है.
मेरे को तो मैं नहीं समझ पाती हूँ, पता है इस चीज को, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. क्योंकि एक तो मुझे ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में नहीं आता है, बिकॉज पर्सनली फॉर मी, दिस इज माय ओपिनियन, दिस इज फॉर मी पर्सनली ओनली, कि मैं कभी शादी नहीं कर पाऊंगी until and unless I meet somebody who genuinely loves me and I feel comfortable with that person. लेकिन द फैक्ट कि कितनी सारी लड़कियां, और मैक्सिमम लड़कियां हैं जिनको ये ऑप्शन सोचने का भी ऑप्शन नहीं है. नहीं है उनके पास ऑप्शन ये सोचने का कि जब मुझे कोई प्यार करेगा और प्रूव करेगा कि वो मेरा ख्याल रख सकता है, मेरे लिए स्टैंड ले सकता है, मेरी रिस्पेक्ट करता है, तब मैं शादी करूँ। उनके पास ये ऑप्शन नहीं है सोचने का। इन देयर हेड इट्स क्लियर कि
और
उनको
प्लस
शादी ही करनी है जो उनके पेरेंट्स
या
बताएंगे उससे। तुम उस इंसान को जानते हो नहीं जानते हो, तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है क्या नहीं लग रहा है, यू डोंट हैव इनफ टाइम टू एक्चुअली फिगर इट आउट। डू यू सी हाउ इट हैपेंस
या
अरेंज
या
मैरिजेस में
या
ऑल्सो स्पेशली?
एब्सोल्युटली
That's why it makes this wala case so weird, because they were courting after getting engaged. They were
yes
courting
yes
for a year.
yes for a
They're going
year
around, and we
yeah
have these videos
and
also
he
coming
had
out.
this side she had this side guy for all these months, so she was
Imagine.
two timing and all that. And there is that layer of the consumerist society that we live in, you know, brands and
Yes.
and money and wealth.
Yes.
You know, गधी 19 साल की लड़की को ये सब कैरेट आप दोगे
बिल्कुल.
तो उसको तो लालच. And this doesn't mean that, you know, we sitting here are saying that these are the things that cause. No,
No,
she
not
is
at
a
all.
legal woman.
She
Having
chose
said
to
that,
do this.
a lot of
Yeah.
women probably go that way, go that line of two timing sugar daddies. The concept that we talk about
Yeah.
is in the society that we live in, and those are the problematic women that we talk about. We can talk about, sit here, split hairs about why women should be empowered, why we need
Yeah.
to talk about women empowerment, feminism, everything, but we cannot look away from the
Of
fact
course.
that there is an added layer of brands, of wealth, of money,
बिल्कुल.
of greed that is there, and that is a human condition.
Yes.
That has nothing to do with gender.
Of course, of course.
That has
That's what
nothing-
men do too.
Yeah,
That's what
yeah,
women do
absolutely.
too. They get absolutely
Sugar mummies
hazed.
भी तो हैं,
हाँ.
sugar daddies हैं तो,
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
right?
Exactly.
So
This makes perfect sense. And
Yeah.
अगर हम see, we condemn whatever was done. Of course, somebody is choosing to do this thing.
Yeah.
But अगर हम we cannot look away from the fact this entire system that makes people think कि घर में बात करने से बेटर है कि मैं कोई ऐसा ड्रास्टिक मेजर ले लूं बस मुझे घर में ना बात करनी पड़े.
my God,
घर which is supposed to be the safest space for
hardly-
everyone, and it's never.
it's
Hardly, yeah, hardly.
yeah.
I mean, for those it is. I mean,
they are blessed.
good to be you, I
Yeah,
guess.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely, absolutely.
But it's not. So, I mean, what is this all about? Let's talk about this.
So, Nupur, we are at the end of this podcast. Since we were talking about family, arranged marriage, talking to your family, the single most important thing that I think that perhaps will make things better is a space where, you know, like this, whether that one person in the family or the family that can talk to each other is not layered and layered between expectations and all that. Because I don't know, I've seen so many people around me, they're not able to talk to their parents, grown-ups.
Oh, bilkul,
Grown-ups.
100%, 100%. Honestly, since we are talking about this, I also want to share that how there are families जहाँ पर बोला जाता है कि तुम बोल सकते हो, but जब तुम बोलते हो ना, the repercussions are bad.
Yeah.
So then you don't speak again.
That's not a safe space. then.
That's not a safe space
That's-
for you.
Yeah.
And this is a fact for, I think, 99% of the families, you know. And I think it's not just about India. It's everywhere.
Yeah.
The family dynamic is unsafe, and बच्चे लोग अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. ऑनेस्टली पार्टनर्स भी आपस में अपने
Yeah,
आप को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
ऑफ कोर्स किड्स को तो फिर तो
Yeah.
स्पेस मिलेगा ही नहीं. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट क्रिएट्स दिस monstrosity
Yeah.
of an entire cycle
Yeah.
of how people think कि इनसे बोलने से बेटर है कि मैं ये कर देता हूँ या मैं ये कर देती हूँ, which
Yeah.
is so
मैंने
bad.
एक्चुअली ये तो मर्डर तो खैर मतलब I can't even, you have to be something absolutely wrong in your head to be
Yes.
able to think like that. But I actually have seen women running away from home with jewelry.
हाँ, they do that.
You know, now with this monstrosity, I think it feels that वो शायद
है ना?
route better था, which is
Actually.
also shitty route.
I mean,
But
sometimes
may-
they don't have an option.
Option.
Yeah.
But maybe.
It's at least not taking anybody's life.
Absolutely. So now, ठीक है, उसमें भी empathy की तो जरूरत पड़ेगी. I was coming to empathy, right? So maybe what we are lacking as people, as human race, as society is empathy. कि
हाँ.
आप सोच कैसे सकते हो? आप सोच कैसे सकते हो अपनी, you know, एक गाड़ी जो है आप दारू पी के चला रहे हो और एक स्पीड में चला रहे हो, आपने एक बच्चे को मार दिया, आप 34 साल के बेटे को किसी को मार दिया और आप निकल गए वहां से, आप सोच कैसे सकते हो कि जिससे आपने 1 साल कोर्टशिप करी, 1 साल आप यू एंजॉयड द वेल्थ, यू वर promising your life together, and आप सोच कैसे सकते हो कि किसी के बच्चे की आप जान ले लोगे? आप सोच कैसे सकते हो कि आप किसी, चाहे वो फुटपाथ पे बैठी हुई कोई एक लड़की क्यों ना हो, आप सोच कैसे सकते हो कि आप ये करके आप निकल जाओगे?
Exactly. True.
So it's a law and order problem. Of course, it is a problem. It's a societal problem, but it is at the core of it. It's an empathy problem that we have in the entire society. That we don't fucking
100%.
care.
100%.
Mind my French, but we don't care about the other person.
Yeah, that's true. I 100% agree.
And I'm so angry about it.
Yeah, and which is very valid. बहुत valid बात है ये. Since we are talking about this case, and whenever I feel about it, when I think about it, I feel truly and completely angry at the
Yeah.
fact that somebody has lost their life, and I completely support the fact that whoever is doing these kind of things
Yeah.
should be punished.
और क्या?
There's no other
मतलब
way to
यहाँ
go
बैठ
about
के
it.
हम लोग ये बात कर रहे हैं कि औरतों की राइट्स एंड ऑल दैट,
हाँ.
सारी चीजें धरी की धरी रह जाती
नहीं,
हैं.
हम ट्रू फेमिनिस्ट हैं because feminism
Because-
talks about equality,
Yeah.
and equality also means कि अगर कोई लड़की गलत काम कर रही है, she
Absolutely.
should be punished.
Punished.
100%.
And the law needs to
Yeah.
be, and it needs to be also setting an example.
बिल्कुल.
Example, not in the sense कि ये जो narrative वाला example, but definitely an example of such women, such people, because there are two people involved here. There needs to be an example set कि you cannot do this.
This is what
in
is
a civilized
needed
society.
from the society, yes. Example being set,
Yeah.
of course, in
Yeah.
this case where a
Yeah.
woman is a perpetrator, but
Yeah.
also in cases where men are
Men are
perpetrators.
perpetrators,
And we should
absolutely.
equally be enraged about it.
Yeah.
We should have empathy about the fact that, of course, it has been happening with women for so long.
Yeah.
Just because it has been normalized does not mean it's normal.
True.
And now it's happening with men, and
Yeah.
both the genders are
Yeah.
suffering.
Yeah. Absolutely.
And we need to have empathy for both of those things.
Yeah.
And it has to stop being about us versus them. It
Yeah.
has to become about the
Yeah.
fact that I become aware of your pain,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
you become aware of my
Yeah.
pain. And
Yeah.
we together work
Stand
to-
by each other.
Yes, stand
Yeah.
by each other.
Yeah.
And I think that is
Absolutely.
the core point of it.
और बाकी तो नंबर गेम्स तुमने जो कहा है कि भाई हम भी पॉडकास्ट चलाते हैं,
हाँ.
हमें भी पता है कि व्हाट आर द हुक लाइंस एंड
Yeah.
व्हाट हाउ डू वी रेज बेट एंड
बिल्कुल.
हाउ डू वी क्लिक बेट एंड ऑल दैट, वो तो है ही. Those are the chatter which probably will fizzle out or will go into something else.
बिल्कुल.
But I think we need more humanity.
100%. I agree. And I think there's a lot that, we need to think about when it comes to other people as well. And of course, have a lot of empathy.
Yeah.
And I think this is what the topic was about. And I think Yeah.
Today's topic was heavy.
very,
and,
very heavy.
we can feel the weight in our gut. But what do you think? Maybe you want to add on to it. Maybe you want to vent, because
Yeah.
there's a collective anger that we all are feeling with the way the society is moving, the way we are reading about news every day, someone or something getting, unalived and things like these. You can talk about it, and do follow us if you've not still. And Nupur, you want to say something to our viewers?
Just understand that, this is the safe space
Yeah.
that we were talking about.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
you're free to express whatever you
Yes.
want in the comments or in the DMs.
Yeah.
So see you in the
Follow
next
us and
episode.
like us and share if you like what we say. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.